What up scrollers, welcome back to the G Apple Spot, and in this video we're going to be talking about that how you can install iOS 14 beta 1 on your iOS devices. So without wasting time, let's begin with the video itself. The first step, you have to just go to your Safari. I have provided the link down in the description. Just go through that link and make sure you open that link only to the Safari. Then just tap on this install iOS 14, click allow, and it will take to your settings. Then you have to just go to your settings and you can see the profile is being in your setting. For that you have to just go to your settings, general, scroll down under the VPN, you can see the profiles, just tap on that and then just click on this profile, click install and again install, click again install, and your profile is being downloaded and it will ask for the restart. Just tap on the restart and it will restart your iPhone. Just wait for a while. Quick. So once the iPhone is being restarted, then you have to just go to your setting and check for the update. Go to the general and tap on the software update. And boom, you can see that the iOS 14 is available on your iOS. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. That will give you a notification whenever my video comes, and it will help you to get the updates of the iOS 14. So as you can see that I'm using an iPhone XR on this thing, and you can download the iOS 14. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for the more updates for the iOS 14.